In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook order history not showing. So if Facebook order history is not showing on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. So if you want to access the Facebook order history, you'll actually have to open Facebook Messenger. So simply open Facebook Messenger on your device. After you do that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the gear icon in order to access the settings. You'll be able to access the settings over here. You'll be able to find various options. Over here, you should be able to find the option for orders. If you tap on it, you should be able to see the order history. But if you're not being able to find the option for orders over here, there might be several reasons behind it. First of all, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Messenger. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on this option, Messenger. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you have to do is simply try clearing the cache of Messenger app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for Messenger and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on the option storage and cache. Now you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of this application will be cleared. Now what you have to do is simply open the Messenger application again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. You should be able to find the option for orders, but still if you're not being able to see this option over here, it might be because of your reason, or it might be because Facebook has made this option unavailable for some time. So wait until Facebook makes this option available for you and you should be able to access your order history. So that is how you fix Facebook order history not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.